Hello everyone, it's me Ben from Senior Computer Services International. Today I want us to handle how we can do business registration, company registration, property registration in our Ugandan registration services system. So you go to your browser and then you type obrs.ursb.gig.ug. So this is the site we use for registration. So then you click enter. When you click enter, it will load and then it comes here. Then you click here, create account. So if you were new participant, here you set your email. Let me say nyazben561@gmail.com. So this one, then you put your phone number. Let me say so you click here. So here you are registering. When you click there, it's going to send, it's saying you have successful registered to your, so it requests go to your email to activate your account. So I come to my, it is here under updates. Then when I click here, activate. When I click activate, then so I have clicked activate, it is activated. Then you also verify the phone number. Then that means they are going to send you a code to that telephone number. So when they send a code, then I will be able to register no businesses or many businesses. So this number, it verifies the account, that the account is yours.